Hello guys, how are you? This is Susie Parura. Today guys, I want to show you the flood. I want to show you how the rains here in Kenya. Let me show you. Look at the flood guys. This is our garden. You can see this is not a river guys. Look my garden, what it looks like. Yeah. Oh, my banana. Look at this. Even I cannot go the other side because of heavy rain. Yeah. This is my garden. This is the flowing water from the rain. Look my garden, how it looks like guys. Even I cannot go that part there, far away. Let me show you. Look guys, this is my shamba, my garden. Shamba is another name for garden or farm. The heavy rains is raining here in Kenya. It is destroying a lot of food. You can see like this is arrowroots and green vegetables. They are all swept away. Look at this guys. Look how it looks. This is the flood in my garden guys. Even my bananas here. This is our home. Yeah, I have an umbrella because it is raining heavy. I cannot go beyond there. I could go, but the water can sweep me away, but I don't want to be swept by this heavy flood. The bank of the rivers are overcrowded, and now there is a lot of water here. Look at my garden. All the crops have swept away. There is nothing here. And if you can see these arrowroots, they are destroyed. Even if you remove it, it is not good because it has a lot of water in it. Look at it guys. Look at it. Look at this thing guys. We call it guya. Yeah. Look our garden, how it looks. But these bananas, they are not attacked. The only things which are attacked here in our shamba is arrowroots, maize, green vegetables, sweet potatoes, cassavas. They are swept away. Yeah, they are swept away. But you can think this is a river, but it is not a river. It is water coming from up there, and it is passing through my garden here. You can see. Look at it. That far away. Yeah. This is. I have my umbrella. Here because it is. For now, it has little bit stopped a little bit. But if you can see the water, you can see the rain there. Look at it guys. Look at it. The flood in Kenya. Even when you go in Nairobi, people are being drowned by the heavy rain here. Even here, if you should be very careful of this rain because it can sweep away You can see how it is doing. I'm standing here. Look at these things. Look at that things. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you can see it. This is not a river, but it is a flood. The flood. I think you are reading the news from your country about Kenya, how the heavy rains is destroying things here in Kenya. Even I am not in Nairobi. I'm the neighboring county of Nairobi, county called Kiambu. It is not so far from where I am from Nairobi, but still it is the same. The rain is still the same as Nairobi. But if you can look this place, there is gardens, but Nairobi you cannot see garden like this. Only houses, and these houses are demolished by the heavy rains. You can see. Why? Because the people have come and have built the houses very near the river. That's why you can see the flooding. It is finding its way to come and go there and pass along the gardens of someone. Look at it. Look at it. My banana is still here. Let me have a picture. Yeah, this is my banana. I like it so much. Look where I am. Look. 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 My protective gear. These are my protective gear. Yeah. Look guys. This is my legs. You can see. This is flowing water. It's destroying our food. You can see beans. Yeah. You can see beans here. You can see these tall buildings here is very near the river here and in the garden. I don't want to go far because there is no way. Even you can see there is no way passing to go the other side. You can see it. You person, don't call me. I always told you when I am filming, please don't call me. Please. The number is 0703-714-094. Who are you? Even I don't know you. Please don't call me for now. I am filming. I am showing my people the flood in my garden. Look at it. I will not receive your call. Look. Oh my God. Look at this place. Look at this. This is the flooding water. The flowing water. You can see that. Big, huge. A very huge bananas. In my garden there is a lot of huge bananas such like this. Yeah. But the bananas are not being destroyed. You can see. Look at it guys. How my shaba is. It look like for now. It's raining. This is the flood. It's causing very heavy dangerous. Look. This is not a river guys. This is a flowing water from where? From road. From upper hill. We have upper hill here. You can see. Let me show you. And see, this is like a hill. You can see it. You can see my umbrella here. Showing you. Yeah. Look at this, my banana. I like bananas so much. I like bananas. I like bananas. Oh. This place is very deep. It's very deep. Very deep. Deep, 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 deep. Yeah. Look at it, guys. I don't have gumboot. If I have gumboot, I could go near there and I can show you. This is my my banana. This is my banana. Almost ripe. Yeah. Yeah. I don't want to go there because last time when I came here, oh my God, nearly I'm falling. I always show you my garden. You cannot be hungry, but for now, it seems we will be hungry because of this flowing water. Look the bananas, how it looks. This is the flood. This is the flood. This is the flood. And also, guys, you can see people where they have built their houses. Look, the way of water. Look, the water is finding its way, but it can, so that now it is coming from here because the owner of this place has built at the way of where the water can pass. Even there is a tall buildings there, you can see it. Look at it. Yeah. I want to show you how it look like. How it is look like. How things look like here in Kenya. This is Suzy. Remember to subscribe my channel, guys. This is Suzy Warua. Yeah, this is Suzy Warua. You can go and check me there in YouTube. My YouTube channel is Suzy Warua. I'm going now. I'm going back. I'm going back. Bye bye the flooding water. You can just think it is a river, but it is not a river. It is just water flowing from very far away. Now I'm going back. I am going back home. Look, another. We have a lot of bananas here. This is, I think this, I have just see like 10 bananas, and all of them they are red. Here you can see another one. You can see even this is what is this? This is sweet potatoes. Even them they are being destroyed. Look at it. Yeah. Look. People have just built along where the water comes from. That is why, look at, even you can see, this is arrowroots. They are being destroyed. Look at it. Look. Then the tall buildings here. Wow. Look at this. It's a stream. Just trying to show you how things are here in Kenya. There is a heavy rain here. Raining. Yeah. It is just a few minutes from where the people is. You can see that place where I was there, where the bananas are and where the houses are. Look at it. Hey. They are along, very near the river. Even you can see here it is like a hill, and that's why even you can hear houses demolished. They are demolished here. Look at that place. I hope you can enjoy this. This is also at our church. It's called the Pentecostal Evangelistic Fellowship of Africa. Look at this. This is our church, guys. You can see that this gate. Now I am going up. Yeah. We are very close near the road. We live, for me, I live along the road. Even when I am closing the door, some drivers stopped their cars and they call me, come we go to the town. Yeah. And also you can see maize. This is maize or corns. This is maize or corn. That's all you can see. I want to show you something. This person is disturbing me. Who is this person? You can see this is sugar canes. Yeah. I will not receive your call, please, for now, because I am in work, guys. I want to show you boat. Hello. Hi. This is a goat with its kid. You can see that it is very dark. It is very dark here. This is my brother's goat. Hi. With its kid. Awesome. Yeah. You can see another goat here. If you want to call it, you can say come. Look what it is doing. You can see even the goats are being named. Yeah? Look at this. Look at this sugar cane, very tall sugar cane here. Yeah. And also here there is no a lot of water because this is a home. This is a home. This is our home, guys. Siko boko. Sungura. Yeah. Let me show you. Rabbit. It's scary. It's scary and it is also very. Let me show you another. This is it. Hi, Mr. Rabbit. Mr. Rabbit. How are you? What's your name? Once upon a time we we were learning about rabbits, but not rabbits, but there is another rabbit which is for forest. This is hare. Once upon a time, there is a hare in that bush. The hare tricked hyena. I think this is it. And also, guys, look, this is our home. You can see also people are staying here. Rabbit. It's very beautiful. It is white in color, and the other one has a little brown. Let me have a picture. Yeah, you can see it. It is eating. It's leaves. Even carrots. They eat even carrots. There is so many around, but for now it is dark. It's dark. Yeah. Going now back home. Yeah. Look at this hen. This is a house for the goats. Bye goats. Bye goats. Look, it is still raining here. You can see. Yeah. This is Gospel Missions Crusaders churches, but it is upside down. Yeah, you can see it is upside down. Yeah. Let me show you another beautiful things here. These things are very good. It's like vegetables. Yeah. Let me go back. Let me show you where I was there. I think I can zoom it. Yeah. It is refused to zoom. This is our village, guys, where I come from. I live here along the road. Yeah, I hope you are enjoying, and I hope you will give me some condolences here. You can see I live here along the road. Yeah. This is where I live. Now, guys, I want to edit this video here. Let me show you that. This is where I come from. I think you can see the cars passing along. This is tuk-tuk. This is the quickest way of transport here in Kenya. This is tuk-tuk. See how they are many. This is tuk-tuk. Guys, and also let me show you our church here. I want you to read yourself. It is called the pepper. Pepper Kirigiti Church. Yeah. Let me go and show you the other side. Show you the flowing river. Even in the road, yeah, it is the flowing river. This is not a river, but it is a flood. I hope you will enjoy this. We go. Hurry. I hope this can see it. See how it is, guys. Yeah. Look at it. How it is. This is not a river, but this is a tunnel. This is where waters come from, because there is a lot of heavy rains raining here in Kenya. You can see, guys. Yeah. This is our village where I was born and was raised and was I studied here. From nursery to primary school, but the secondary I went run for far away. Yet only just here in Kenya, you can see how the water is flowing. Yeah, look at it, guys. Heavy rains here in Kenya. Yeah, heavy rains here in Kenya. It is sweeping the people. All the things are swept, especially in Nairobi. Nairobi city. Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya, guys. Yeah, it's very, very near from where I am, because I am in a place called Kiambu Town. And Kiambu Town is just 50 shillings. This is half a dollar. You can go to Nairobi town. Yeah. Want to show you how things look like here in Kenya. You can look at it. Look at this rain here. Look at it. Flowing. But our government here, they have put the tarmac road here. You can see. Yeah. Look. Yeah, from there far away. Yeah. You can see. This is what it looks here in Kenya. Yeah. Look at it, guys. Yeah. Heavy rain. Yeah. You can see this is a heavy rain here in Kenya. Yeah. And also border riders. For now, they are very happy because they have a lot of people driving their borders. This is a thing. Now they have a lot of money. They are earning a lot of money here because of this rain. Yeah, because of this heavy rain here. Some people here in Kenya will be rich. Yeah. Because they are overtaxing. The prices of the cars. Yeah. Look at it. How it looks. Yeah. Yeah, you can see this place. Also, you can see cars are coming very slowly. Yes, you can think this is a river, guys, but it is not a river. But this is a tunnel. Yeah, you can see. Let me. Now I hope you will enjoy this video for Suzy. This is Suzy Warua, SUZZY. Warua is WARUA. Go YouTube and please subscribe my channel, guys. Like the video, guys. Comment a very sweet comment there. Leave a comment below. Yeah, I want to go home. I should be very careful here because you cannot hear the sound of these bodas. You can see them. Yeah. This is the national government. You can see the other side of this tunnel. Ministry of Transport and Infrastructure. English is very difficult. Ministry of Agriculture and Infrastructure, Kenya. This is our honorable called what? Mashua. This is Kiambu MP, members of Parliament. Look at this place. I think he is working on it. He's working on it. He has done a great job. You can see how it is look like, guys. Okay, I'm going back. So I live. I want to show you where I live. Subscribe, comment, leave a very sweet comment there, guys. Yeah, I just stays along the road. You can see there up. This is my house, guys. This is my house. Now, I want to add this video here so that, and I should be very careful crossing the road. I should be very careful crossing the road here. You can see how people are being carried. Yeah, see the guys. Remember to subscribe. This is Suzy Warua. Hit that notification bell. And please like the video, guys, and subscribe. Even you can share. I want to have 1K subscribers. I want to have 1K subscribers, and I will appreciate you. This is my residential houses where I live. I live here, just along the road. I have an umbrella. You can see the rain have stopped a little bit, but it is raining heavily here in Kenya. There is a lot of heavy rains here. I should be very careful crossing this road because there is a lot of cars, a lot of flood like this. There is a flood. This is flood. This is not a river. This is a tunnel. This is the flowing water from there above. From there above. I want to add this video here. Let me stop here and wait for them Remember to subscribe my channel, guys. This is Suzy Warua. Suzy Warua from Kenya. Suzy Warua from where? I'm a Kenyan lady. I'm not a girl, but I'm a woman of 36 years. Yeah, I'm a woman of 36 years. I'm turning that 7 on August. Let me go and upload it. Very careful. Bye bye, guys. I hope you will enjoy this video. And you also, if you want to buy chapati here, just buy chapati and eat. While you want to cook, you can see how chapati is cooked here in Kenya. And 20 shillings. This is 20 shillings. Ni shilingi 20? 20 shillings. Let me show you how it is being cooked. Yeah. You put in the oil. Like this. Yeah. For this season of raining, you can just take one chapati because it is very hot and eat it. And we become hot. Look, very beautiful, very nice, very delicious. Very, very delicious chapati. Or chapo, we call it chapos. Chapati. It's a very good business because when people passing nearby, they come and buy. Even the ready food. People always demand to buy the ready food. When you don't want to cook, you can buy the ready one and just eat it. Yeah. Bye bye, guys. I hope you will enjoy this video so much, and please hit that notification bell and remember to subscribe, comment please, and leave a very sweet comment there, very sweet one, very sweet comment. And I just want to learn from you how you look, you see about here, the flood here in Kenya. Yeah. Bye bye, guys.